Hello. Thousands of apartment building landlords in San Francisco face an end-of-the-month deadline to upgrade their fire alarm systems. The fire department says they have to be loud enough to wake people up in case a fire breaks out at night. But our Kenny Choi talked to one landlord who worries these costly upgrades will put him out of business.
Jonathan Torzon is on the brink of losing a North Beach bar and building. Bills are mounting, costs continue to rise, and now a looming fire alarm upgrade required by the city could force him to close the door on a lifeline his family needs to survive.
People like me are losing all of our life savings, and we've done nothing wrong, nothing to deserve this.
He can no longer pay employees and has become the bartender, janitor, and manager for the Grant & Green Saloon. Torzon says a recent Saturday netted just $200.
It's a really rough situation for the small businesses here.
Business owners say foot traffic even on weekends is quiet. When Torzon's bar and apartment units above were thriving a decade ago, he borrowed and spent more than $100,000 for earthquake retrofitting by installing steel beams. He can't keep up with more costs.
I'm out of money almost, so they've got a new fire alarm requirement that I simply don't have the money to do.
Torzon believes the latest mandate is regulation overkill. Buildings with 3 or more units with central fire alarm systems also need to be monitored, adding an additional monthly cost.
It's not pissed off, it's depression at this point because I've lost all my life savings and I'm a 50-year-old man with a child.
Upgrades for apartment units can cost north of $30,000. Eric Hagerman's company installs and monitors fire alarm systems, which are not the same as smoke and carbon monoxide detectors easily purchased at hardware stores. Even though businesses like his will benefit financially, Hagerman isn't convinced the ordinance is necessary.
I don't feel like I'm enthusiastic about increasing the volume of my work through a law that I don't feel is balanced.
How the city will enforce the new regulation and fine non-compliance is unclear.
It's very tough when the city officials are still taking in their $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 salaries like nothing has happened.
He doesn't want to walk away, but may be forced to fade away, even if his heart remains in North Beach, San Francisco.
And it is certainly a hardship financially for many property owners. Earlier, I spoke with San Francisco Fire Marshal Ken Coughlin about the fire safety requirements.
This legislation came because they found out that the current systems, a lot of the older ones only have like a bell in the hallway or maybe just one over the door, that it wasn't waking everybody up and getting them out of the building in time for the firefighters to come in. And so this legislation requires that anybody with a fire alarm to go ahead and upgrade it and provide actually a newer type of sounder that came out in 2013, which is a low frequency alarm. They found out that helped out with the elderly, children, hearing impaired, and actually those intoxicated, wake them up much easier than the current systems.
So it's critical fire protection, obviously, but what do you say to the landlord that says, I just don't have the funds to do this right now?
We say that we're going to work with them. So this, like I said, this came out in August of 2016. Landlords have had 7 years to prepare for this. So they've had quite a bit of time to go ahead and plan. And we've got the message out starting in 2017 and 2018, meeting with different organizations. You can't put a price on somebody's life. That's what it comes down to, is we need to make sure that people hear the alarm and get out of the building. So it's not going to happen overnight. We understand there's challenges financially and also finding a company to do the work. The fire department will work with them as long as they progress and gain and work towards compliance.
So the deadline to finish upgrades is July 1st. Building owners also have to pull permits. But as you heard from the fire marshal, they will work with property owners. They suggest getting bids from several contractors to see what options there are.